Yo guys, this is my second video. I just want to show you some wolf outfits in Ghost Recon Breakpoint. Because at first I only had the walker outfit, and after a time it's just boring. So I hope you enjoyed the video and outfits. You can comment which outfit was a favorite. And these black wolves with the red accent, I call them shadow wolves because their color could be a special unit. Bye.